So I decided to do, instead of Vlogmas, I'm going to do 25 days of holiday looks. So today I'm going to be doing a pink look. And I'm going to be using some of the new things that I bought last month. I was going to say, oh yeah, I'm going to do Vlogmas. Then I realized I don't go nowhere. So let's just get into this makeup look. This is I use literally the same products all the time. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade, this is Toast. I go between two different colors. I go between Toast and Chestnut. This one is going to act as my primer for my eyes. If you don't have discolored eyelids like I do, you can use an actual eyeshadow primer. Most eyeshadow primers are, what's the word I'm looking for? They're translucent. But I need this to make my eyes an even base before I put on any type of colors. Like I said, I'm going to be using a lot of products that I just bought. And this is a brand new, like they just came out with this. This is the Morphe 'Tis the Season 35 eyeshadow palette. I want to use this middle color because it's actual pressed glitter. And I figured I'm wearing pink. Why not do pink? You see what I mean? I'm going to use my bronzer and my foundation powder as like my transition colors. And I'm going to come back and put on the pink glitter with you guys. I'm going to use some glitter primer. This is the NYX Glitter Glue Primer. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting on my face makeup just to bring the whole look together. Water break. I always like to spray my face before I start to blend out everything, so. Personally, for my concealer, I like to let it sit because this concealer is like light to medium coverage. So the more you let it sit, the fuller the coverage you'll get. Ooh, that was a bar. Okay. Now I'm setting with these two powders. I use the loose one first and the pressed one. And for the loose one, I use this powder puff. And for the pressed one, I use a brush. I like to use my face pressed powder as a contour for my nose because using regular contour is not working. So see how like my nose looks more snatched, and then I have like the lighter parts on the other side of my nose. That's the key. That's the way. Now we're gonna go in with the Juvia's Place Zane blush from the Sahara Desert palette. The Saharan blush palette. I love this pink blush so much. I always like to finish my look off with two sprays. I do this NYX Dewy Spray, and then to make it sealed in and stay all day, we're going to use the Makeup Revolution Super Fix Holding Spray. Yeah. Okay, so you guys, the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I went ahead and put on my little moles, my lips, my lashes, all the little other intricate things that, you know, will make the look come together. And yeah, let me know down below if you like it and if you want to see any specific colors for the holidays. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.